Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 11, Decimal Fractions. Now let's understand what is decimal. First, let's learn what are decimal fractions. Here 10 squares are given in which 4 are shaded. So the fraction will be 4 upon 10 because total squares are 10. So 10 we will write in the denominator and 4 parts are shaded. So we have written 4 in the numerator. In this one, 10 squares are given, 5 squares are shaded. So the fraction will be 5 upon 10. There is one more example, 15 parts out of 100. That means 100 में से 15 parts के बारे में बात हो रही है. So इसका जो fraction होगा that will be 15 upon 100. 100 denominator में आएगा and 15 numerator में. Similarly, in 32 parts out of 1000, the fraction will be 32 upon 1000. यहाँ 32 numerator में आएगा and 1000 denominator में. So these are decimal fractions. A decimal fraction is a fraction whose denominator is either 10 or 100 or 1000 or a power of 10. यानी जिसके denominator क्या होने चाहिए 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. Now what are decimals? First of all 4 upon 10 इसको जब हम decimal में लिखेंगे that will be 0.4. For 5 upon 10 it will be 0.5. For 15 upon 100 इसका जब हम डेसिमल में लिखेंगे it will be 0.15. For 32 upon 1000 it will be 0.032. So numbers 0.4, 0.5, 0.15 and 0.032 are called decimal numbers or decimals. Now let's learn about parts of decimal and how to read and write decimals. So there is a number 24.31. It has 24 before point and 31 after point. So this one is decimal point. यहाँ जो before point 24 है, this one is whole part or integral part. After point, after decimal point is 31. So this 31 is called as decimal part. So decimal numbers, that means decimal fractions, fractions with 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on in the denominator can be represented as decimal numbers. So जिसके denominator में 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on जो ये होते हैं यानी power of 10, 10 वाले जो भी होते हैं 10, 100, 1000 ये अगर डिनोमिनेटर में होंगे सो वो सब नंबर्स क्या होते हैं डेसिमल नंबर्स. फॉर एग्जांपल 3 upon 10 so we will write it as 0.3. 462 divided by 1000 so it will be 0.462. and remember one thing कि after decimal point यानी point के बाद में जितने भी नंबर्स होंगे हम उसे separately read करते हैं. So in this 0.462 you will not read as 0.462. आप इसे कैसे रीड करेंगे 4, 6, 2 सेपरेटली. आपको इसे सेपरेटली रीड करना है. सो आफ्टर पॉइंट जितने भी नंबर्स होते हैं हम उसे सेपरेटली रीड करते हैं जस्ट लाइक इन दिस वन 0.462. नाउ व्हाट आर मिक्स्ड डेसिमल्स? A mixed decimal contains a whole number, integral part and a decimal part. So मिक्स्ड डेसिमल्स क्या होते हैं? मिक्स्ड डेसिमल्स में होल नंबर भी होता है जो इंटीग्रल पार्ट होता है और डेसिमल पार्ट होता है आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉइंट. फॉर एग्जांपल 93.56. सो दिस 93 इज द इंटीग्रल पार्ट एंड आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉइंट 56 is the decimal part. Now children, let's understand conversion of fractions to decimals. First of all, we are going to convert those fractions in which numerator is greater than denominator. For example, I have taken one number over here 67,831 and I am dividing it by 10, 100 and 1000. So step number 1 is write down the number given in the numerator So numerator number is 67,831 that we are going to write. Step number 2 is count the number of zeros in the denominator and put a decimal point such that the decimal places are equal to the number of zeros. So in the first one, 67,831 divided by 10. So in 10 there is only one zero. So we are going to put a decimal point before one digit only from right to left. So according to this 10, we are going to put decimal point before 1. Then the answer will be 6783.1. Similarly in the other one, in 100 there are two zeros. So we are going to put a decimal point before two digits from right to left. Now the answer will be 678.31. According to 1000, there are three zeros. So according to these three zeros, we are going to put a decimal point 3 digits before from right to left. Then the answer will be 67.831. Now let's take fractions in which numerator is less than denominator. To convert this, step number 1, put zeros in front of the digits of the numerator to get as many digits in the numerator as in the denominator. Step 2, count the number of zeros in the denominator and put a decimal point such that the decimal places are equal to the number of zeros. For example, 9 upon 100. So first we are going to write 9, which is a numerator, and we are going to put zeros before this 9. So according to 100, we are putting two zeros before 9. Now according to 100, you are going to put a decimal point two digit before. That means 9 and 0 से पहले हम लगाएंगे decimal point. According to two zeros, हमने two digit before point लगाया है. The answer will be 0.09. Example 2, 38 upon 100. So first we are going to write the numerator number, that is 38, and we are going to put a 0 because according to 100 we are going to make 3-digit number. Next, before 2 digit, because 100 में 2 zeros होते हैं, so before 2 digit we are going to put a decimal point. So here we are going to put a decimal point before 8 and 3. So the answer will be 0.38 because 100 में 2 zeros थे, इसलिए हमने 2 digit before point apply किया. Then 7 upon 1000. First of all, we are going to make it a 4-digit number. So 1 is already 7 and we are going to put 3 zeros before this 7. Now according to 1000 there is 4-digit number, and now we are going to put a decimal point before 700. And why? Because in 1000 there are 3 zeros. So according to 3 zeros we are going to put 3 digit before a decimal point. So हम 3 digit before, that means 7 and 2 zeros से आगे क्या लगाएंगे? Decimal point. So the answer will be 0.007.
So I hope you all understood what are decimal and decimal fractions. So in exercise 11A, we are going to solve question number 1, 2 and 3. Question number 1 is, write the shaded and unshaded parts as common fractions and decimal fractions. So for common fractions, we have to count first of all this shaded part. Shaded parts are 1, 2 and 3 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 3 are shaded out of 10. 3 by 10 as a common fraction. But what is the decimal number for this one? It will be 0.3. Similarly for unshaded, Unshaded are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 out of 10 are unshaded, and we are going to write 0.7 as decimal fractions. Similarly for this one, shaded are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So out of 10, 4 are shaded. So we are going to write 4 by 10 and decimal number will be 0.4. For unshaded, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are unshaded. So out of 10, 6 are unshaded and decimal number is 0.6. Rest you will do on your own. Question number 2 is, what part is colored? Write as common fractions and decimals. So 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are colored out of these 100 boxes. So we are going to write common fraction as 4 by 100 because out of 100 only 4 are colored. And what will be the decimal for this one? So according to 100, we are going to write 0, 0, 4 like the same number, same digit of numbers, and according to these two zeros, we are going to put 2 digit before point. So it will be 0.04. In this one, out of 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are colored. So out of 100, 8 are colored. So we are going to write 8 upon 100 and the answer will be 0.08 in decimals. Rest two parts you will do on your own. You have to count the color parts only out of 100 and then you have to write in the decimals also. For this one, 0.2 in fraction it will be 2 by 10 because one digit before point है. So one digit before point हम तभी लगाते जब divided में क्या हो, 10 हो. So you have to color 2 parts out of this 10. So 2 you can color. For this 0.5 also 5 by 10. So 5 parts you will color. For 0.04 you have to color 4 parts out of 100 and the fraction will be 4 upon 100. So after point जो भी digits है यहाँ पे उतने ही parts आपको यहाँ पे color करने हैं. Question number 4, we have to write these fractions as decimals. So here the fractional numbers are given that we have to convert it into decimal numbers. So as you can see here, this 2 by 10 is 2 by 10th part of something, or you can say 2/10th part of something, of a whole. So we are going to write it like this, 0.2. And how? Because there is 1 0. According to this 1 0, you are going to put decimal point just before this 1 digit. यहाँ जो भी नंबर होगा उसके 1 digit से पहले हम क्या लगा देंगे, decimal point, and you are going to write it like this, 0.2. Like in this one, 5 by 100. So according to these two zeros, we are going to put decimal point 2 digits before to the left. That means 5 is already given, but the other number is not given. So we are going to write 0 and then we will put a decimal point. Now this is 2 digit number, that is 0 and 5. Now here 0 is not given, but we have to write this 0 just because there are two zeros. So according to these two zeros, we are going to put decimal point 2 digit before, and 2 digit before यहाँ नहीं था इसलिए हमने एक extra क्या लगा दिया, 0. And you are going to write 0 here also. सबसे आगे भी आपको क्या लिखना है, 0. So the answer is 0.05. This is the decimal number now. In this one, 9 by 1000. So according to this 1000, there are 3 zeros. So 3 zeros के according हम क्या करेंगे, 3 digit before decimal point we are going to put. But there is only 1 digit. So we are going to make 2 zeros. So it will become 9 and then 2 zeros before this 9. And we are going to put this decimal point here and we are going to write 0 again. So the answer will be 0.009. Here in this part, 4 by 100, now there are 2 zeros. So according to this 2 zeros, we are going to put decimal point 2 digit before, and here is only 1 digit. So we are going to put in the denominator. So after decimal point there is only one digit. So according to one digit we are going to write 10 only, because 10 में ही only one zero होता है. So after decimal point there is only one digit. So according to one digit we are going to write 10 in the denominator. Then here 0.04, this is 0.04. So in words you can write 0.04, and as a common fraction it will be, again you will write whole number in the numerator part. Whole number is only 4 here, so 4 you are going to write in the numerator. Now count after decimal point how many digits? 1 and 2. After decimal point there are 1 and 2 digits. So according to this 2 digit you are going to write 100. So जब भी 2 digit होंगे after decimal point you are going to write 100 in the denominator. Now there are 3 digits after decimal point. So according to 3 digit you are going to write 1000 in the denominator. So it will be 4 as a numerator